Hello students, how are you?
We are fine, sir.
Tell the question.
Sir, please explain us how can we use outa according to spoken English with cozy method.
Very good. So guys, today I will try my best to explain that how can we use outa according to spoken English. Guys, outa is the abbreviation of out of. Is that clear? Outa is used to express running out of things, some things, and running out of, like moving out of from somewhere, some places, we can say. Is that clear? So running out of something, moving out of somewhere, in that condition we can use outa as an abbreviation according to spoken English as an informal behavior. Is that clear? Yes. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start now. Guys, outa is our theme today. Outa. Outa. It's mean out of. Out of. Like that. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
For example, I say, I am outa of money. Outa of money. If I say, I am outa of time. Is that clear? For example, I say, you need to get outa. Outa here. Is that clear?
Yes.
Guys, I'm out of money. मेरे पैसे खत्म हो गए. It's mean running out of something. In that condition, we can use outa. Is that clear? So I am out of money. In that condition, you can use like that. I am outa. I am outa money. Outa money. I can say I am outa time. Outa time. Okay, and I'm already used here. I have already used here outa. Here. Is that clear? You need to get outa here. Is that clear? आपको यहाँ से निकलने की ज़रूरत है. यहाँ से निकलने की ज़रूरत है. It's mean you need to go outa from here. We can use that. Is that clear?
Yes.
So guys, running out of something, moving out of somewhere, in that condition, in that situation, we can use out of. And guys, out of can be replaced as outa according to spoken English, specifically according to informal behavior. Is that clear?
Yes.
So guys, it's a brief method how to speak over English with the practical method. Is that clear? So guys, if you like this topic, then you can share it at your social media handles. Thank you so much guys. All the best.